In a quiet town, where dreams were often buried before they could grow, lived a boy named Arjun. He wasn't special, he wasn't talented, and he definitely wasn't lucky. But inside him was something the world could not see, a heart that refused to give up. Every morning, before the sun touched the sky, Arjun woke up, not because he wanted to, but because he had to. While others slept peacefully, he studied under a weak light, with tired eyes and a tired soul. People laughed at him. "Why do you try so hard? You'll never succeed." Their words hurt, but he swallowed the pain and kept going. Life wasn't kind to him. Some nights there was no electricity. Some days there was not enough food, and many times there was not enough hope. He failed exams. He doubted himself. He cried, alone. But every night before sleeping, he whispered, "One day, this pain will become my power. One day." A teacher looked at him and said, "You may not be the smartest, but you are the most consistent." Then the teacher said something that changed his life. Talent gives up. Consistency never does. That day, something inside Arjun woke up. He stopped comparing. He stopped complaining. He started improving, just 1% every day. Days turned into months. Months turned into years. Slowly, quietly, the boy everyone ignored became someone people respected. Not because he was perfect, but because he never stopped. He didn't chase success, he chased progress. And one day, success followed him. He returned to his village, not to show off, not to prove anyone wrong, but to remind others, "I was once where you are now." People asked him, "How did you do it?" With a gentle smile, he said, "I didn't wait for motivation. I moved even when I was tired. I didn't quit." If you are listening to this right now, feeling tired, feeling lost, remember this: slow progress is still progress. Struggling doesn't mean failing. Your story is not over yet. Keep going, because one day someone will be inspired by your journey. Thanks for listening.